Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So we make this origami and it needs at least 5 pieces of paper. And the more is okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, it's okay. I will later on explain you why it is okay. So I will make 3 plus 3, so 6 pieces. So get a taco fold and this little leg tilted up, and this one tilted up, so it's a little square. I make sure that square is very well lined together. If it is not so much together, not the end of the world. And then put still the same point, and along this line, this point, this line. So some students say this is like a little dog. Yes, it is more or less like a little dog. Now we pull it back, open up, and this paper already you creased it, so it has a memory. Same thing here. It already has a memory, so it remembers where it has been. A little bit. Okay. And twist it back, twist it back. Then we fold this one in. Then we fold this one in. Then we use a glue stick. The good old days of your school days, use glue stick, right? And with students, I usually say you hold it and count to 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, count to 30. You can also do this. I have some little I can do this. And do not put too much, just the edge. You want the edge. So keep on. And you can put these two together. Do not put too much. You only want to stack the edge. Keep on. Not in a rush. And glue stick. Glue it together. Glue it together. Together. Almost. Okay, and we can also put these two together. I will need a larger one. Okay. Oh no, I want to do an alternating color. What I am doing? What? Oh, it's together. Okay, we will do it just like that. Follow the course of nature, not struggle with it. Next time I will do a little bit better. And this time we will do just like that. So when you do it, you may have a better planning. I did not really planning it very well, so the color is not totally what I want, but it's also interesting to have a change. Sometimes you have one alternating color, sometimes you have two colors at the same place. Not the end of the world, right? Anyway, you get the idea. That is Yang Haiyin doing things. So it's not about perfection. It's about having fun. Okay. It's about, right. If it is about right, then it is okay. Okay. Put this one together. Okay, now I need to stick this one here. And this one here. The two last ones. And oh, I have a even larger one actually. So this time you need to count something. Okay, a couple of minutes later. Okay, now let me put it down a little bit. You can take a better look. So I will put this one back with the first one. And at this time, I use, and it's not comfortable. Now I adjust a little bit. Now it looks better. And with students, sometimes I will let them put their finger inside like this and count to 20, count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's mostly not for any other reason. It's just to let them be patient, count some number, and also give me time to help other people, help other students. And this is roughly right. You can make it everyone look more or less the same. You can even make it a little bit fancy by rolling it a little bit. And I have some students who made these two leaves not at the same point. It actually becomes a different design. It's kind of interesting. You do not force anything too much. So that is the flower. It's almost the time to put it back. You can adjust a little bit. Make sure all are pretty and nicely arranged like this. That's the flower. And I do have a problem how to combine them together. You can make another 6 of these flowers, or I usually do like this. I usually have some recycled paper. Oh yes, I have a piece of recycled paper. Use a brush. And glue. This is not very, very, very strong, but this is as good as I can make. You can use a piece of better looking paper. Here, glue it. Take some time. Glue it. I really have not yet figured out how to fix it. That's the problem. I need to think about a way to fix it. Oh, maybe that's a good idea, actually. Yeah, this looks like a good idea. And then make some leaf. Do not use two-side paper. Use one-side paper. Use a single color paper. So we do this way. Something like it. So like that. Bend it a little bit more. Right? That's the idea of it. Okay?